One of the reasons why I like this festival is there's a lot of cool little Xiao Nian traditions that you're supposed to do on this day. Like you should buy some new clothes to get ready for the new year. And it's time to start cleaning your house so that you sweep away all the bad luck to make space for the good luck to come. Another interesting thing about Xiao Nian is it's traditionally a day for people to get a haircut. This is because in ancient times it was believed that getting a haircut in the first month of the new year was bad luck. So Xiao Nian and the few days after it was the last time when it was safe to get your haircut. Well, my hair is getting a little bit long anyway, and seeing as it is Xiao Nian, I guess I should go get a haircut. Hey. Meow. Okay.
你从前面去看一下。
Great.
Huh?
Yeah, it's good. Looks really good. Thank you.
Yes.
Wait, yes. Good. All right. Great. All ready for the new year.
还可以吧？这里看还可以。
Yeah, it's good. More or less.
满意了吧？啊？满意吧？
对， it's good. More money. More money.
Oh, nice lanterns. Around the front door of almost every Chinese home are couplets, strips of red paper with poems written on them in Chinese. These couplets are called chuanlian, and they're changed every year. Xiao Nian is traditionally the day to buy or make new couplets and put them around your door in time for the new year. Now today, you can buy couplets everywhere. They sell them in supermarkets, corner shops, there's even guys selling them on the side of the road. But I think that the best looking couplets are still the ones that are made in the traditional way, handwritten by a calligrapher. So I'm off to see Ling Lao Shi, a master calligrapher, to see if he can make me some nice couplets for the new year.
吉祥啊，是这样子，这个年丰能寿啊，这样子的意思。过节的时候啊，这个都要写，写了都是要用红字来写。岁月能增寿，春满行空铺满楼。
It's all far too complicated for me. My Chinese writing, I can just about do zhong, guo, da, stuff like that. But I'm going to try and learn to write chuan, as in chuanjie. So it looks complicated to me, but Laosha says that it's not too hard, so I'll do my best.
你看到这样写
Okay.
啊，那手指啊尽量使一点劲，再过来再一行，然后呢下面再一行，多沾一点墨。好。
Okay. Right. Try my best.
两行靠近。
Me on the third, and then I did the fourth all by myself. So not bad for a first attempt, I suppose.
The main part of Xiao Nian is making offerings to the kitchen god. The kitchen god is the most important of the various Chinese domestic deities. He protects health and the family, but he also has another job, which is to keep an eye on you throughout the year and report your behavior to the Jade Emperor. That's why people make offerings to him at Xiao Nian, so they'll say nice things about them. It's kind of like a bribe. I'm off now to see the mum of one of my local friends, who's going to show me the correct way to make offerings to the kitchen god.
哎，阿姨好，你好，我给你新的春联。
好漂亮，谢谢啊。
没事没事。OK。
今天是农历24共造中年。
对，这个很有意思，这是什么？
这是比奇，福州话是美丽。这是橘子、豆腐、蒜头，福州话是少布林奶。还有这是甘蔗。 早龙早阳也是赵君爷他们爱吃的。赵君爷宁愿的酒，因为他是吃素的，我们就以水代酒。
So this is the kitchen god and his wife, and these are the different foods that you need to offer to him. And it seems like he's got a bit of a sweet tooth because you can see that most of the things here are very sweet. got water chestnuts, we have oranges, and then this whole bowl of biscuits and malt sugar.
So what she's doing now is burning an effigy of the kitchen god to send him up to heaven.
I've really had a lot of fun learning about and celebrating Xiao Nian. I can't wait for Chinese New Year. 新年快乐!